Hermit crabs are often overlooked creatures, but they lead fascinating lives full of adaptability and survival strategies. Unlike many animals that grow into their own bodies and develop hard, protective shells, hermit crabs are unique in that they must find and move into empty shells throughout their lives. This nomadic lifestyle is one of the key features that makes hermit crabs so interesting. These small, yet resilient creatures can be found in a variety of habitats, from tropical beaches to rocky shorelines, and even in some freshwater environments. One of the most remarkable aspects of hermit crabs is their use of shells. As they grow, hermit crabs must leave behind their old shells and search for new, larger ones to accommodate their increasing size. This constant need for a new home has shaped the behavior and life cycle of hermit crabs. They are opportunistic creatures, often scavenging for shells that other marine creatures have abandoned. This behavior also leads to one of the most fascinating displays in the animal kingdom, the hermit crab shell exchange. When a hermit crab finds a shell that is just the right size, it may engage in a kind of shell market, where multiple hermit crabs gather and compete for the best shell. Sometimes, a more aggressive crab will force a weaker one out of a shell, and in turn, the displaced crab will seek out a new one. This process is a fascinating mix of survival instincts and social interaction. Hermit crabs' reliance on shells for protection has shaped their physical development. Unlike other crabs, which have hard exoskeletons that grow with them, hermit crabs have soft, vulnerable abdomens that they need to hide inside the shells. This gives them a unique challenge. They must constantly search for shells that are not only large enough, but also strong enough to protect them from predators. While the shells are crucial for protection, they are not the only factor that helps hermit crabs thrive. Their small, agile bodies also allow them to escape from predators quickly, darting into crevices or under rocks for shelter when danger approaches. Despite their need for shells, hermit crabs are quite resourceful. They are omnivores and will eat a wide range of food, from plant matter like algae and seaweed to smaller invertebrates. Their diet is varied, allowing them to survive in many different environments. Hermit crabs are also scavengers, cleaning up waste and dead organisms, thus playing an important role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. Hermit crabs are social creatures and often live in groups, especially in the wild. In these groups, they communicate using their antennae and use body language to signal each other. They are also known for their interesting behaviors, such as climbing on top of each other's shells or even engaging in shell fights to compete for the best shelter.